welcome to this session. If you remember, now we are learning about SQL payroll. If you remember, the previous sessions we have learned were related to payroll and how to set a company profile and how to set the settings or the maintenance for everything we are having, like grouping, and so on. Also, we set the biodata of our staff. Okay, so now we're gonna to start talk about how we can do our case study, which is we work what we are having, like our staff having overtime, bonus, advanced salary, and so on, how we can manage this one in the system. Let's go with our first part of the case study. Below are scenarios that happened during the month. Please record scenarios in open pending payroll before process a January month end payroll. So you see, we have to use the pending payroll. Why we use pending payroll? Because in the SQL payroll, once we process a payroll, we cannot modify it. This is the main issue in this system. For that reason, we have what we call it pending payroll. Why we use it also? Because we have these things, let's say our staff taking leave, taking overtime, taking many things. So we don't want to keep it till end of the month to we do all of these things, and it will be so hectic for the HR staff or the person in charge. For that reason, we do what we call pending payroll. We can update day by day or once per week for all things related to our staff. So let's go for the overtime first. Where we can find the pending payroll? We have open pending payroll. We click. First things, we have overtime. Let's look for the overtime. This is the overtime. We double click here. We need to add new thing, so we have the plus. Our overtime is 1st January 2019. Because our year we mentioned is 2019, we have January, we have 1st. Then the post date also 1st January 2019. 2019, we have January, we have 1st. Then we have the employee, his years and yin. We can search. We have the code DR30, which is public holiday. Description is overtime on public holiday. Working unit 0.5, which is half day. And the rate is 3. Then we go the second one. The second one is 1st of January 2019, also 1st January 2019. Kumar. Okay, let's select it from here. Sorry. Employee, we have Kumar. The code also HW30. The HW30 is public holiday also. It's also overtime on public holiday. So if you see here the difference, DR is day rate, HW is our wages. So he worked for 3 hours. 3. What you have to click? Save. Please don't forget to click save. This is the first things we do for our in a case study. Then second thing, we have bonus. Also in the pending payroll, we go to the bonus. This is the bonus. Double click. New. The bonus, we have to click all those bonus. Below is a bonus list of every employee, and the bonus will issue that to employees in the middle of the month, 15th of January. So we have to select 15 January 2019. This is 15. Post date also same, 15 January. Okay, the employee is Chen. Description is bonus of the year 2019. Then amount 12,000. You don't need to change the rest, okay? Click enter, you go same, you could put the date. Employee is year. The also bonus of the year, similar amount, similar description. The amount is 9,000. Also, the third one is Kumar. Also, same amount of bonus. We have, same description of bonus. We have is 11,000. Then number 4 is Saiful. Also, he has like the similar description. Amount is 10,000. So 12, 9, 11, 10. This is our bonus things. Then we click save.